Welcome back to Product Critique, your destination for in-depth reviews of the most powerful tech gear on the market. Today, we're looking at what many consider the best Razer Blade 15 configuration yet, the RTX 3080T model with 32GB RAM. This machine isn't just a gaming laptop, it's a performance beast in a sleek, portable chassis. Let's dive in. The first thing you notice is the design. Classic Razer aesthetic. The CNC aluminum unibody construction feels premium, solid, and minimalist. Coated in anodized matte black, it's sleek, understated, and surprisingly resistant to fingerprints. The illuminated Razer logo on the lid adds that iconic flair without being too flashy. When you lift the lid, you're greeted by a 15.6-inch QHD display running at an ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh rate. This panel hits the sweet spot for gamers and creators alike. It's sharp, vivid, and fast, perfect for both competitive FPS games and high-end video editing workflows. It's powered by Intel's 12th Gen Core i7-12800H. That's a 14-core processor capable of boosting up to 4.8 GHz. You get 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, giving you an incredible balance of raw power and multitasking efficiency. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080T, and you're looking at desktop-class performance in a laptop chassis. This GPU comes with 16GB of GDDR6 memory, the fastest ever in a laptop. It actually outperforms the Titan RTX desktop card in many scenarios. Whether you're rendering 3D models, editing 4K video, or maxing out settings in Cyberpunk 2077, this machine doesn't flinch. Supporting that power is 32GB of DDR5 RAM, clocked at 4800 MHz. That's 50% faster than DDR4, which means faster app loading, smoother multitasking, and better future-proofing. Storage-wise, you're getting a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, delivering lightning-fast boot times and transfer speeds. Now let's talk cooling. The Blade 15 features a next-gen vapor chamber cooling system. More exhaust fins, larger liquid capacity, and quieter fans all help keep thermals under control even under load. Yes, it'll get warm, but it handles heat far better than most competitors in this performance class. In terms of connectivity, you're fully loaded. Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, USB-C, and an SD card reader that supports US3 speeds. Whether you're connecting to external GPUs, 4K monitors, or transferring large media files, this laptop is ready. And for those who care about customization, Razer's Chroma RGB keyboard is here in all its glory. Per key RGB lighting, programmable macros, and a satisfying typing experience, it's perfect for gamers and coders alike. Now, the not-so-great part. This particular model is currently unavailable on Amazon, and there's no official restock date yet. But if you manage to get your hands on it, you're investing in one of the most refined and powerful gaming laptops ever made. To sum it up, desktop-class GPU, 12th Gen Intel power, QHD 240Hz display, and top-tier build quality. This Razer Blade 15 configuration is the ultimate choice for gamers, creators, and performance enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.